So today we're out here resurfacing this parking lot, taking the surface course of the asphalt out, putting it back and restriping it per existing. No more alligator cracking and no more degradation of their parking lot. And this should last them at least 7 to 12 years.
It's not that simple. You have a lot to watch out for. You got people out here, safety is one of the biggest things.
Making sure we take into account all of the traffic flow, the entrances and exits. It's the best way to keep your tenant satisfied and coming back for more work.
It's not easy, man. It's a lot of hours and a lot of preparation to make sure everything goes well.